Hi guys, welcome to another great episode on Hawkit on how to make real money with your smartphone. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to do your tax, how to do your social tax so that you can start earning big on Hawkit. But before I do that, I would like you guys to like my video, subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell so that anytime I upload new video, you'll be the first to be notified. In this video, we're going to be studying on how to do our taxes. Most of us are having difficulties in doing our tax, and that is the purpose I am doing this video. As you can see, my balancing is increasing on a daily basis. This is the amount I have spent before. There is no pending tax or pending balance here. Go down to do our tax. When you want to do your tax, you need to come down here on this Perform Social Tax and Earn Daily. Click on the Get Started button. It will bring you here. Right now, I have two taxes here. This is a WhatsApp tax. As you can see, they said post on WhatsApp status and earn 20 naira per status post. So right now, I'm going to post it on my WhatsApp and upload it. So you click on, I click on Do Now. When you click on Do Now, it will bring you to this dashboard where you click on Visit Link. This visit link will take you to download the image they want you to upload. You will now copy this caption and paste it on your WhatsApp status alongside with the picture they want you to put on your status. So right now we're going to do that now, and after that you will come down here and click on Upload. You will screenshot whatever you post on your WhatsApp status and place it on this click to upload. You will need to write your WhatsApp name here or your WhatsApp number there. So whichever one you prefer. Okay, right now we're going to click on Visit Link. You download. Right now, this is what they want me to paste on WhatsApp status. Right now, I'll click on Share. I'll click on this Share button here. For those of you who are using Android, my WhatsApp here. So I'll click on Always. You select the WhatsApp status icon. So you select the WhatsApp status, click Continue. You copy it from Hawkit to paste it here. You click on Continue. Continue. So right now I have posted on my WhatsApp status. So right now I have posted on my WhatsApp status. I will screenshot it now. Click on Upload. Select. Type in my WhatsApp name. After you type in your WhatsApp name, you click on Upload Proof. When you click on Upload Proof, Hawkit will send you a message thanking you for doing the tax. You can see right now, thank you for performing. They will send you a message which reads, thank you for performing this tax. So you go back, you click on Home, you scroll down, go back to Get Started to see if you have other pending taxes. I'm going to teach you guys how to do the Instagram tax. Right now, you need to click on Do Now. It will bring you to this place where you click on Visit Link. When you click on this Visit Link, it will take you to your Instagram page where you follow the person Hawkit asks you to follow. It's Hawkit that gives the tax. So they will ask you to follow somebody or like somebody. So you need to read what they wrote on this page. You need to read the following instructions for you to know the proper tax they ask you to do so that you know how to go about it. So right now, this is the place where they ask me to follow this person. So after you follow the person, you screenshot. When you screenshot, you go back to your Hawkit account, you upload, you click to upload. You upload your screenshot here. This is my screenshot. It is uploaded. Then you write the name of your account, as in your social account. You need to write the name of your social account here. The name is Ugo Skincare. So that is the name of my Instagram account. So when you write this Ugo Skincare, you click on upload proof. This upload proof, you click on it to upload your proof. So on every tax they gave you, when you upload the proof, they will verify it before they pay you. That is how it works. So they don't just pay you. Right now they have sent me a message. You can see, thank you for performing the tax. This is the message. It's the same thing. So thank you for performing this task. We are currently verifying what you have done. Your money is currently pending until the tax you have performed is confirmed and approved. The fund will be available in your main wallet for withdrawal within 24 hours. Okay, guys, that is how it is. That is how you also do Twitter tax. That is how you do Facebook tax. That is how you do TikTok tax. But WhatsApp tax and YouTube tax are different. Your WhatsApp tax and YouTube tax are different. In WhatsApp tax, they will ask you to post on status. You post your tax on status. The picture you downloaded, when you click visit link, you download the picture, you share it on your status, you screenshot it, you come back and upload it on your click to upload photo. When you click it, after you upload it, you click on proof. Your YouTube, you need to subscribe or comment. So they will give you the options of comment, the samples of comment, the type of comment you need to make on YouTube. So you go there, you type your comment, you screenshot it, you come back here and upload it and do your tax. That is how the tax is being done. And before they pay you, they will need to verify that you actually do it, because the guys who paid Hawkit for them to pay you will also verify that you commented on their social handles. Okay, guys, don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new video, you'll be the first to be notified.